And so, this is the end of a series that saw spoken word and classical music become friends. You have seen and you have heard. You have witnessed and observed a new collaboration that has produced the finest work. With no odds or ends, the primest cuts were chosen and selected to be washed down with some tasty stuff, and trust me, because I necked it. Sweet as nectar was the process. We performed it all with glee. We enjoyed every moment, and we hope that you could see how much fun was had by one and all, from start and in between until the end. And so, this is farewell from the Royal Philharmonic Orchestra and me. Now.